Welcome to BidAllies, where managing your orders and inventory has never been easier. With our order dashboard, you'll have everything you need to keep your business running smoothly, all in one place. Access your orders instantly with just a click. Our order dashboard provides a comprehensive view of all your transactions, giving you control and visibility like never before. Whether you're tracking order status, checking IMEI serial numbers, or following shipment tracking, our dashboard puts all the data you need right at your fingertips. Need to find an order fast? Our advanced search lets you locate your orders by order ID, IMEI, RMA ID, SKU, tracking number, or invoice number, saving you time and effort. Quickly sort through your orders by their status, whether they're pending, processing, completed, or canceled. Find exactly what you're looking for with just a few clicks. Our order dashboard is more than just a tool. It's your business command center. Use it to track your inventory, manage returns, and keep your operations running smoothly. This is your all-in-one back-office system. Experience the freedom of managing your business effortlessly with BidAllies Order Dashboard. For more details or support, contact us today, and let's take your business to the next level.